There you are. Almost. Almost. I almost finish it. Kanina ginawa ko yung basket. Ngayon naman, dahil may time pa ako, I have still time. Yung ginagawa ko na may little puppy house. Ayan. I'm almost there na magawa siya. So there you are. See? Little puppy. Which one is better? This one? That's the last one or itong the first one that I made? I think, which one puppy do you want? I want this one. This is better. Wow. See, mas malaki. Mas gusto niya to. See? Wow, mas malaki pala yung bahay niya. Wala tayong tuta. Wala siyang kaibigan. See? Again, this is the first one that I made. The basket. The second is this one.